In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom resource packs to Minecraft Bedrock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Downloading and using custom resource packs in Minecraft Bedrock is extremely simple. I'm going to be teaching you how to do this on PC. Sadly, I'm not sure if the same process will be able to be done in a console, but for mobile it should work as well. So for this method, all that you have to do is download the specific resource pack file. Usually it is going to be an MC pack file like this. I recommend downloading them from Minecraft Bedrock mods under CurseForge. So go to curseforge.com and look for Minecraft Bedrock mods, aka texture packs. So make sure that you filter them out here. Now you can browse through them by popularity, relevancy, total downloads, and so on. Once you find a specific texture pack that you would like to use, then select it. So you can browse through all of these. A lot of them will add shaders to the game without actually using any kind of mods, so they are very nice. Some of these will be simplistic, like this PvP one. So once you have it downloaded, open the MC pack file. When you open this file, it should import inside of Minecraft with a message like this: import cited. Now I have already imported mine, so this is why it said it's a duplicate, but if you haven't imported it yet, then it should go through, and if you head over into the settings, global resource, and my packs, you will find it here. So activate the resource pack that you want to use, and when you go back to the home screen, it is going to load it up. Now you can head over to play and join any world where you want to see the resource pack in action. And of course, this is going to work for any other type of mod that you are trying to install. So in this example here, of course, it is going to be a resource pack, but it is going to work for mods, add-ons, and anything else. So you just go over to the settings, global resources, and you add them here. Simple to do, very useful, and you will be able to use them inside of Minecraft Bedrock. This will work for both PC and mobile. Sadly, I'm not sure if you will be able to do it for consoles because you cannot just download files off the internet in those consoles. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like. And before I end this video, there is one more thing I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.